Guys, we are going to be doing this shoe storage together. So join me. Let us do this shoe storage together. Okay. I'm going to walk you through step by step and I'm going to try as much as possible to show it, to show every details about it, and also to encourage you as a mom of four. So let's get started. So here is me opening the carton. And here is my little one, just happy and seeing the camera. This my girl, she like camera. So after I opened it, I just tried to sort out the things like to break them out. And this is the nail that came with it, and it was so amazing. They brought the screwdriver along with it. On this very day, I could not find my screwdriver, but I was surprised that they put the one I could use. So here is me just screwing everything. So the reason why I am showing this, guys, is just to encourage my fellow mom out there that there is nothing you cannot do for yourself if you really want to do it. See, I'm not educated. I didn't go to school. I not go school at all. Oh. But with these things, you don't need education to be able to do it. All you need is the picture. They don't even write anything. It's just the picture. So follow the picture and you are going to get it. You are going to get every bit of it. This is exactly what I did. The way they position it, just look at the manual and follow it and you are going to get it. Don't think, because I'm not educated, because I cannot read, I'm not going to be, I won't be able to do it. No, me too. I'm not educated. Okay. So, but I have been doing this thing for quite some time now. And as long as I can do it, I know you, my fellow mommies,
I
tell
know
you
you can
one
do it
amazing
too.
thing also. Sometimes when I'm building this thing, I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't even know how it's going to turn out. But one thing I know, I am following the instruction. I know I'm going to get it. So sometimes after I finish putting the last part, that is when I will not know, okay, this is what I've been doing since. So for you to know that I don't have experience, but following the instruction really give me the time, really give me the courage, really give me the idea on what to do. So I just follow, look at the picture. So for you to know that I have no idea, I didn't know I was supposed to remove something that is round in this thing. I didn't know I was supposed to remove it, and I just fixed it like that. So after I done fixing it, that was when I realized that I was supposed to remove all these things that look like ball. Just keep watching. You see when I noticed it that I was supposed to remove it. So that was when I started pulling them out, because on a normal day, I won't have even know that those things they were useful. One thing I also like doing, I don't throw things away on time, like, because I don't have experience. I don't want to throw something that I might use later. So I keep everything as possible as I can. So I only throw them away when I'm done fixing that particular thing. I will know I've already done this part. I finished everything. So if anything remains, if it's what for me to throw away, I can throw them away. But as long as I'm doing this thing, I don't throw it away. So if not, I would have missing some certain things, like when I throw them away, I might not be able to get them. I might not be able to fix it. So I'm just sharing this. So in case you want to also try just like me, so you can be able to get it, not to throw things away on time. Another thing, guys, I'm not trying to help myself, but at a time I'll help myself a little. Do you know why? Because there is nothing. As long as I'm in this Europe, as long as the manual come with something, I can do it. Do you know why? Because I am very smart and I'm good in my hand. Like when I see you doing something once, when my eye sees it, I will just have it in my head, then I will start doing it. And yeah, as long as there's manual, like I said, you can always do those things. So this is when I realized that I was supposed to remove these things after I put the male wood down, because I saw the hole and I saw the picture of what I was supposed to do. That was when I realized, okay, I was supposed to remove. See, this is me pulling them out because I didn't know I was supposed to do that. So it was not too late though. So this shoe storage is very very easy to build, as long as you just get the two parts. Other ones we just follow. It's so easy. So my mommies, I want to encourage you guys. I want to tell you, as long as that thing it can be done by a man, you as a woman, you can do it. It's just a determination. It's just like the reason why how I started mine was is mine. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. Let me just try. And to God be the glory. Also kind, the thing came out so well, and I'm happy I did it. And that was when I started. I started with my baby bed. From my baby bed, I did my baby bed till now. My baby is 2 years plus. I single-handedly fixed my baby bed. I was pregnant when I did that. And from there, I did my kids' wardrobe. Till now, the wardrobe is still standing. And from there, I think I started building. I just started doing things, even to the extent I started building my new kitchen. Guys, you are going to see the video, but although I didn't make too much video from there because it was really, really too much. So I couldn't make a video. So I decided to just like take it one step at a time, you know. It's only a professional that will know, that will understand the way I am handling the what they call this thing again, the spinner, no, the screwdriver. It's only a professional that will know if I'm handling it well or not, because sometimes the way I hold it, I'll just be laughing at myself like, what am I doing? First of all, I'm a woman, and secondly, I didn't learn this thing, and I just see myself doing it. And third, I'm the kind of person that I like to try things. And another thing is, I don't like to wait for my husband to come and fix things for me. That's why when things spoil in the house, I fix them myself. Not that if we want to maybe pay, we cannot pay, but I just had to just do things on my own. You know, I'm not trying to prove to my husband that I can do this thing, but I just want him to know that with or without him, I can survive. Yes, with or without him, I can survive. I can do things around the house, even if it's at home, it's not at home. The things that I want to do, I can do it. I don't have to wait for him as my husband to come and fix things around the house before the things can be done. Yes, this is me. So that's why I said I'm not trying to help myself, but I will help myself a little because of what my hand can do and what my brain can also do. And I know a lot of women are also doing something like that. So, and if you have not tried it, please do try. Like I said in my previous video, I said do not depend on a man for anything. But it doesn't mean that a man should not support you, yes, but don't depend on them. But on your journey, if you find a man that supports you, fine and good. But do not depend on them, because when you do and they disappoint you, you're going to be hurt, you're going to get hurt, you're going to be so disappointed. So to avoid those things, you have to learn to take care of yourself 100%. Do not leave some percent for your man to handle, because most especially some men that don't care, but they know that most time there are things they can do that you cannot do. They like to take advantage. I'm talking out of experience, and thank God I can do a lot of things that my husband cannot even think of. Yes. So, and I am proud of myself. I don't know what you think about what I'm doing right now, but I'm so proud of myself. And yeah, I am happy. I'm able to do all these things. And yeah, I want to know what you think of this thing I'm doing now. Did I inspire you? Do you want to also try? That's why I tell you I am not educated. Okay, don't think because maybe because you went to school, that's why you're. I not go school at all. As a matter of fact, I can hardly read well, very well. So I'm just managing myself. So don't talk yourself down. Don't discourage yourself, and believe in yourself that you can do anything. And trust me, you are going to do it very well. That is one of the reasons why I am making this video, to encourage you, my fellow mom, to tell you that you can do anything that you want. Anything, like anything that you want. It's just for you to be prepared, for you to make up your mind, and you can really do it. So people that are doing it, they don't have two heads. And I believe if they can do it and succeed, I know can also do it. Don't let anybody talk you down. Don't discourage yourself. Be courageous and don't feel like I'm a woman. I would have been able to do it if not because I'm a woman. No, you can do anything. It might not be what I'm doing right now. It might be something else, but I know you can do anything if you believe because there is this strength that we women that we have, And sometimes I ask myself, God, how did you create us? Because of the way we are so strong. Me myself, sometimes I don't understand it. We are really strong. Another reason why I am also doing this is, sometimes you don't just have that money in your hand and there's something you want to fix. What if you don't know how to do it? How will you go about it? So that is why it is very important to learn to do things on your own in case you never can tell when one don't have money and there's something you need to take care of. So you can be able to do it without depending on anyone, and you fix it and to come out so well. So guys, just keep watching and see what I did. So these are my kids. They were holding it for me and yeah, I was just fixing it while they were holding it and yeah. So I'm almost done. See, just to fix the main wood and tighten it, use the key to lock it, and that was it. So keep watching, guys, and please, if you like what I'm doing here in this channel, please do subscribe to my channel, please, and like my video. Also share to encourage another mom just like us, okay? And drop a comment so that I will know that you really like what I'm doing just to encourage me. I will really appreciate that, okay? Thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you and bye. I love you.
Work out, glow up, shine from the inside. Every step I take, confidence is my guide. Vlog it, live it, don't hold. Watch me rise, watch me shine, Susan Gold. Vlogging every moment, sharing what I feel. Lifestyle hustle, I keep it real. From the chair to the streets, I walk it out bold. Every move I make, yeah, it's pure gold. SUSANGOLD. Hair blogs, walkouts, watch me unfold. Style, shine, stories to be told. Living my best life, that's Susan Gold. Check the mirror, honey, yeah, I got that flair. Tips and tricks for days, love to share. From sleek to wild, from soft to bold. Every hairstyle's magic when you're Susan Gold. Vlogging every moment, sharing what I feel. Lifestyle hustle, I keep it real. From the chair to the streets, I walk it out bold. Every move I make, yeah, it's pure gold. SUSANGOLD. Hair blogs, walkouts, watch me unfold. Style, shine, stories to be told. Living my best life, that's Susan Gold. Honey, yeah, I got that flair. Tips and tricks for days, love to share. From sleek to wild, from soft to bold. Every hairstyle's magic when you're Susan Gold. Vlogging every moment, sharing what I feel. Lifestyle hustle, I keep it real. From the chair to the streets, I walk it out bold. Every move I make, yeah, it's pure gold. SUSANGOLD. Hair blogs, walkouts, watch me unfold. Style, shine, stories to be told. Living my best life, that's Susan Gold. Walkouts, glow up, shine from the inside. Every step I take, confidence is my guide. Vlog it, live it, don't hold. Watch me rise, watch me shine, Susan Gold.